In the heart of the city's bustling streets, where order meets chaos, one woman stands her ground, unshaken, rain or shine. Anne Absuelo, a criminology graduate, is among the few women who have embraced the demanding role of a traffic enforcer.
Ako si Anne Nikisa S. Absuelo, usa ka traffic enforcer diri sa Dakbayan sa Cagayan de Oro.
Each day, before the city awakens, Anne is already up, preparing to take on another shift. Under the scorching sun, she directs vehicles with precision, ensuring that pedestrians cross safely and traffic flows smoothly. Anne's journey with the Roads and Traffic Administration, or RTA, began in 2019. What started as an academic requirement soon became a calling, a commitment to ensuring safety on the roads.
Dili lalim ang among trabaho isip traffic enforcer. Sa kadaghanan nani gatrabaho mga lalaki. Pero isip babae, nakaya yapon nako.
When asked about what fuels her dedication, Anne shares three things: God, family, and her partner.
Akong mensahe karon sa mga kababainhan karon Women's Month, una, magsalig kamo sa iyong kaugalingon ug labaw sa tanan, kita ang makabuhat sa atong own path. Ako si Anne Nikisa Absuelo, usa ka babae. #WeCanBeEqual.